We divide 593 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get Jeff. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down this 3 and it is 43. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 593 divided by 5 is 118.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.